Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to amend the number of items in your basket in Tesco. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tesco web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where can you find Tesco? Now you can find Tesco on your Google Play Store, Apple Store, or even the web application, which of course I'm using right now. Now, how do you create an account on Tesco? Launch in a browser of your choice. In the browser, go ahead and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type tesco.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Tesco. Once you get into the website, check the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find the sign up button. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. Having created your account is going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Tesco. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to amend the number of items in your basket on Tesco. From this homepage, head over to the top corner of your screen. You're going to find groceries, F&F clothing, Tesco Club Card, Tesco Bag, Tesco Mobile Recipes, Tesco Photo, Tesco Magazine, and Delivery Saver. Go ahead and click on the groceries tab. And that's going to take you to this page where you have an extended menu. You have shop groceries, shop homeware, my account, delivery saver, inspiration and event favorites, my current order, and e-gift card. So go ahead and click on my current order, and it's going to take you to your orders page or your orders window. Now I have no orders here because I have not made an order. But then if you have your orders, you're going to find your orders right here, and you're going to find the basket next to it. Now this is the basket next to it. So you're going to find the basket. So once you click on your order, you're going to find the basket right here. Now from this basket, scroll the way down till you find view full basket. I don't have a basket because my basket is empty, by the way. But then if you have a basket, then you're definitely going to see what's in the basket when you click on view full basket. So this is it. So groceries reserve a slot. I have not done that. And here you have basket summary, items. All right. And then all of this, nothing. I have literally not done anything. All right. But when you get to this window and you get to this basket summary, all right, where you have all of these things, then you'll be able to make changes right here to the items that are in your basket. All right, so this is what you're going to find when you get to this basket summary. Now it says to adjust the number of items in your basket, select full view baskets, which we did. All right, and once you get to that basket summary, you'll be able to make changes. You're going to see make changes. You're going to find the make changes options right here, the make changes option right here. Once you have stuff in the basket, and once you click on that, you'll be able to increase the number of items or decrease the number of items in your basket. So this is literally where you can amend the number of items in your basket on Tesco. Just head over to view full basket and head over to basket summary and make the changes that you want. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.